Hey, this video is on how to install and configure Raspberry Pi for a kiosk machine. I've already got several things set up. Just to give you an idea of the kit I'm using, this is the one I purchased from Amazon. There are some lower cost ones, but you need to have one that is at least 4 GB to be able to do what I'm using it for, which is for digital signage to replace aging or dying Chrome bits that I have used for digital signage in the past. I'm still going to use it with Google Signage, but this way I'm just going to have it go to the website that I have pre-made. So that's the kit. This is what that kit looks like, all the contents on the inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and set it up basically. When you unpack the Raspberry Pi, you've got a nice case and the device itself. Basically, we're going to just install it inside the case after we configure the flash drive, which I'm going to show you how to do next. And I would highly recommend getting one that has a cooling fan. This one, you just plug the pins in for the cooling fan and it will help keep the processor cool while it's sitting behind your TV running your digital signage. So I'm starting with the software at raspberrypi.com, and I go up to software up here, and then I go down and downloaded the software for Windows, and I'll go ahead and install that package. Okay, so we're going to choose the device. I've got a Raspberry Pi 4. Choose the operating system. We're going to go down here where it says Other Specific Purpose Operating System, and then go down where it says Full Page OS. And then I'm going to choose the Full Page Nightly. After that, so it's Raspberry, and then I'm going to choose my storage, and I'm going to say Next. Do you want to do customizations? Absolutely. We need to put the name of the system that we're going to be doing. We're going to put an admin username and password here that we can remote into it. And we're going to put the Wi-Fi SSID and password that we're going to use for this particular one in there as well. And then we're going to save it and say yes, we're going to apply the customization. And we want to continue, yes. And now it's going to write that onto our Raspberry Pi. This is going to take several minutes, but when it's done, we only have a single file to edit in order to finish our setup for this Raspberry Pi system. So here's the boot drive right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And there's a whole bunch of files here. We only need to edit one of them. And then I'm going to edit the one that says Full Page OS Text. I'm going to open that with Notepad. And basically, it's just the web page that we're going to go to. So the web page isn't set up yet. I just copied the NT Foundation one into that folder. I can just change that now anytime. I'm going to go ahead and copy that address and toss it right down here.